I have got this lovely air filter here that I'm excited to show you guys. You'll probably see a cameo of my cat in the background. This is a very functional air filter. You'll get it in a pack of 4 in a box. Functions super well. I'll give you a closer look at it here. It is definitely the size that it says, and it works really well as an allergen defense too. It's also really nice that there is a companion app, so you can scan the barcode for a reminder of when to change it, and also mobile purchasing. Here's a look at the back here as well. Some information. Overall, if you're looking for an air filter, this one certainly does the job. It's hard to say much about an air filter, but if you're looking for one, this is a great choice. Comes in a pack of 4, so you'll have plenty for a long amount of time, and I would highly recommend this product.